You're going to dedicate the following chapters of this course to the preparation of your own application. To do this, you will need to follow our step-by-step instructions. The objective is that you take the following classes as an example so that you can create an application with a similar structure but with your own content. Our application proposal is what we will show you next. As you can see, it includes a simple drop-down menu and 4 HTML modules, a YouTube module and a Twitter feed module, all for free. We made a content app and we propose to call it Wild Animals to use it as an encyclopedia or guide to the animal world. An educational app designed so that children can acquire knowledge about this type of fauna. Once you understand the logic of the builder and how these modules work, you will be able to create an app with similar characteristics. This application is an example of the simplest thing that can be created with a platform. But with more advanced courses that you will find in our academy, you will learn to create more professional apps, making use of complex structures based on the use of nested menus and container or view modules. Let's start!